I got the mochi. Ito yung inaay ko for so long dito sa Japan. So excited to try this. Nakuha ko yung matcha, strawberry, tapos yung muscat na grape. So, try natin. Look. Ang laki. Look. Okay. Mmm. Mmm. Cool. So finally, I have this tanghulo na. And let's try it kung worth the hype na. Mmm. Mmm. So good. So good. Ang sarap. Approved. I think I'm gonna end the night here with this tanghulu and see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, this is our second day here in Osaka. And right now, dito kami sa Hanimachi kasi pupunta kami sa Osaka Castle. Tapos sunod yung Umeda Sky Tower. And sorry if I wasn't able to vlog kagabi kasi nakita nyo naman sa clip, super lamon lang ako ng lamon. Pero ito yung first activity namin for today. I'm wearing trench coat, tas hoodie sa loob. And then sa loob ng hoodie ko is yung heat tech. 3 layers lang ako for today. Kasi hindi naman siya super lamig katulad nung nasa Sapporo kami. Sapporo kasi sobrang lamig talaga as in. Pero ngayon tolerable naman yung lamig. Change plan kami kasi magkasunod lang naman yung Osaka Castle. So first pupunta naman yung Osaka Museum, then Osaka Castle. Wow! Wow! Hindi ko alam if nabibigyan ng justice ng camera ko yung color, pero it's so nice in here. Right now, dito kami sa Lawson because we haven't eaten anything yet. After neto, punta kami ng Osaka Castle. Tama na kami sa Lawson, sa Family Mart, or sa other convenience here. Pizza! Alam niyo ba guys, fun fact about me, I am so bad at decisions when it comes to pagkain sa iba't ibang bansa. Kasi I always get yung nasa picture na masarap. That's right after, kapag nakain mo, hindi pala masarap. Just like this. I don't know guys if you can see, but that's the castle. Taas dyan, sobra! I hope you guys can see what I'm seeing right now. Kung pwede ko lang kayo dalhin, lahat isa-isa, gagawin ko. Oh, look. Ooh, that's the castle! So big and so nice. Ang ganda pa ng weather. Ito guys, sa taas na kami ng castle. Ayan. Yung wishing well nila dito. Maglalaglag tayo ng piso or 1 yen. Next namin ngayon ay yung Umeda Sky Tower. So nice of experiencing this kind of thing kasi I get the chance to see a lot of their culture and it's something na babaunin ko hanggang tumanda ako. You guys, Umeda Sky Tower. Balik. We're here at Umeda Sky Tower. And we just took a photo dun sa escalator na hindi ko napakita sa inyo kasi minamadali ko yung pag-picture kasi maraming umakit na tao. So yun, just waiting na lang sa ticket namin para umakit pa sa pinakataas. Guys, tinan nyo, nasa pinakataas na kami ng Sky Tower. Naku, nakakalula sa baba. Makikita mo yung buong Osaka, right? Buong Osaka. Buti na lang wala akong fear of heights. So na-enjoy ko yung ganitong view. Okay, elevator lang kami para umakit pa sa pinakataas. And now we're here sa pinakataas. Oh my God. Diba ako sabi ko lang na wala akong fear of heights. Pero feeling ko ngayon magkakaroon ako. Sobrang taas talaga namin. As in, look. Sobrang taas. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda dito. Kasi na yung pinakababa. Look, oh. Sobrang taas. I love it. Kita mo dito yung buong Osaka. Ayun. It's evening here. Actually, sobrang bilis mag-evening dito. Siguro mga 4 PM pa lang kanina. Palubog na yung araw. But nag-Starbucks lang ako, which is here. And lagi akong sub to oat milk. And then, ang order ko pala is triple espresso latte. Nahihirapan ako mag-custom dito kasi may ibang mga Japanese server or sa Starbucks na hindi sila medyo okay sa English. So, ito na order ko kung ano nasa menu nila para syempre hindi rin sila mahirapan. Pupunta na kami ngayon sa Dotonbori ulit kung saan malapit yung hotel namin and mag-food trip na kami later. I'm so excited kasi sabi ko sa sarili ko, ngayon lang to since nasa ibang bansa ako na kain ako ng kain. You know, sobrang conscious ko kasi sa kinakain ko. But right now, feeling ko babawi na lang ako pag-uwi ng Pilipinas. Yeah. Ngayon dito kami sa may big camera. Nasa Dotonbori Station na kami. I made a big purchase, which is bumili ako ng Osmo Pocket 3 kasi I've been eyeing yung Insta360 dapat yung bibilin ko. Tapos sabi nila medyo hindi daw okay yon. So I made the purchase. I got the goods. I'm gonna show it to you guys later pag nasa hotel na kami. Bye ko. My coffee. This is my first time trying their coffee here. Oh, it's day 4 na pala here in Osaka. And we're about to go to Kyoto. That's almost 1 hour and 30 minutes na travel. First, you have to get our caffeine boost. Wow! We're now here at Fushimi Inari dito sa may Kyoto. Ito yung first itinerary namin for today. Sobrang layo lang nung travel time kasi from Osaka pa to Kyoto. Ito yung Torii Gate sa Japan na sinasabi na daanan ng mga soul. This is what the Torii Gate looks like. So nice. Grabe, ganito kadaming Torii Gate na kailangan namin puntahan. Wow. Grabe. Sobrang enchanting nang makapasok sa Torii Gate. Medyo, alam mo yung parang kinakabahan. Kasi ito daw yung dinadaanan ng mga soul bago sila maka-enter sa pinaka mismong kingdom nila. One thing na nilook forward ko dito sa Kyoto is yung matcha nila. Kasi nung nasa Sapporo kami and nasa Osaka, I'm trying my best not to order matcha kasi sabi nila dito daw sa Kyoto yung masarap yung matcha and pure matcha talaga. We're looking for something to eat before ako mag-matcha kasi baka sa mga tiyan ko. Sobrang sarap niya, no guys? Eh? Malulula ka talaga sa pagkain dito. I don't know what to try first kasi sobrang na-overwhelm ako sa food. Where's the matcha?
Puro matcha pa rin daw.
Ooh, parang gusto ko ng ice cream. May ice cream ka. Okay, I'll see you guys later kapag nakaharap ko ng matcha. Speaking of matcha.
Ayan o.
Matcha ice cream. Oh my god. I
Alam mo, para hindi sayang yung ano natin, food trip dito. Kasi sobrang daming pagkain talaga. Ganito, dapat may alay. Kunyari, yung isang pagkain, ikaw lang ang bibili, hindi ako. Pag masarap, tsaka lang ako bibili.
Parang lugi naman ata. Paano?
Hindi, minsan ako. Oh.
I ordered Wagyu. So, let's try this. So, let's try this. Loko, sobrang laki. Arigatou gozaimasu. The next na nasa list ko is itong crab. Sira po talaga ang diet ngayon. What's diet, guys? What's diet? Let's try this if it's worth that. Hindi siya totoong crab.
Ano?
Hindi siya totoong crab.
Ay, yung binibili na
It's
crab.
artificial crab.
Yung mga nabibili sa supermarket,
Yeah.
no? Pero malaki
Oo.
na version.
So, 6 out of 10. Stop muna kami dito sa fall drink stand dito sa may loob ng street. Tapos, I just ordered this matcha ice cream na may fox. So cute! I'm so excited to try this kasi I've been looking forward to try matcha stuff here sa Kyoto. Now, I finally got my hands on this one. Ooh, so, let's taste this. Wow! So nice. Sarap. Cheers, everyone! So cold! Hi guys! This is our last day here in Japan. Ngayon yung itinerary namin for Universal Studios Japan, and now I'm here and I'm super duper happy kasi I made it here sa isa sa mga bucket list ko. And I can't explain how much happy I am now. Sobrang lamig today, as in sobra. Makita niyo yung araw, ganyan, katirik, pero wala, hindi mo maramdaman yung araw kasi sobrang windy and sobrang lamig dito. Sa likod ko yung globe na Universal, and yung pinakita ko sa inyo nung una is yung pinaka-arc ng Universal Studios Japan. Currently, andito muna kami sa labas. I can't really wait to go inside and to try yung mga different rides dito. Someone na sobrang hilig sa extreme rides, I will definitely try all the extreme rides here.
Yeah, I'm living this life with a different attitude. Don't flip, don't trip, keeping up the good mood.
You know what guys, I didn't expect na ganito kalaki dito sa loob ng Universal sa Japan kasi the last time na nagpunta ako ng Universal was in Singapore, and doon nalalakayan na ako, pero dito mas triple yung laki. Look oh, sobrang laki. Look. Tapos andito yung gusto kong mapuntahan talaga, which is yung Harry Potter. Pero mamaya pa kami pupunta doon kasi may schedule yung ticket. Gusto ko rin actually matikman yung buttered beer dito. So, let's go.
Cooking up some good food with my friends in the street. Yeah, people wanna chill, they can come and speak to me. Cause all you gotta do is just ask. Cause we can always get another glass. Got drip, got swag, got class. Just roll another one, then puff, puff, pass. Pop the trunk, hit the brakes, stop the gas. When I'm sitting with my friends, it's all smiles and laughs. And I'm thinking that I'm drunk, hit the bathroom mirror just to get a clearer vision. I'm a man on a mission. There's a girl outside with a name like the sea. It's just how she is, yeah, it's just how she be. Got a bowl full of drinks and a bowl full of weed. Topped up on vibes, yeah, it's lovely to see, yeah. She's the best that's at the party, looking for an after party. Even though we just started trying to shoot like James Harden, everybody dancing in.
Dito na ako sa loob ng Harry Potter, and yung first business ko dito is bumili ng buttered beer kasi matagal ko na ito nakikita, and I'm so excited to try the buttered beer. Let's go! Let's try this. Sarap! Uy, ang sarap. Swear, ang sarap. Bili
Ano
ulit
lasa?
ako. Basta masarap. Nasa loob na ako ng Super Nintendo. Parang hindi siya totoo. And nasa actual game talaga ako. Yun yung feels ko dito kasi everything here is so nice. Look oh. Diba sobrang ganda. Wow. It's my time to shine. I got this. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Nasa loob na kami and we're going nasa ride. Sorry if hindi ko siya mapapakita sa inyo kasi that's the rule. Bawal talaga mag-video here.